Hello and welcome. I'm Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. If you're new to my channel, thank you. Thank you for showing up. I just really want to thank all the viewers, the new ones, the ones who aren't subscribed, and the subscribers. Thank you for tuning into these videos. I greatly appreciate it, and I truly appreciate your support. Again, thank you. If you could like, subscribe, and comment. So today I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour on a 15-inch wood round. Now, usually when I do a Dutch pour, more often they're either white or black backgrounds. But I've decided that I'm going to start doing a lot more Dutch pours with different color backgrounds to see how the colors interact and to come up with some new different color combinations. So this Dutch pour I am blowing out now. I'm using a deep yellow. So today's background will be a deep yellow. And I will lay my colors out on that deep color. I will lay my colors out on that deep yellow, hoping that I don't make a lot of mud. Yellow and I don't always get along well. So today's first color I'm going to be using is a turquoise green. Followed by a turquoise blue. Then I'm going to use a middle gray. Had a little leftover orange paint, which is another color that seems to not like me too often. But I'm going to use it for this, an orange. And the last color I'm going to use is, of course, a metallic. It's a gold. So I'm going to spread some more background color, my deep yellow. I'm going to spread it around my colors. Then I'm going to blow it over my colors. And then I'm going to blow it out. And the reason why you put additional paint on it, your background, basically you're trying to give your colors a place or a way to move, to flow across that canvas. So that additional paint helps that flow. When you don't have enough paint on the canvas, paint gets stuck and you get a bunch of ragged edges. So I'm using my mini blower, which I got from Amazon, to create a little bit of more details. So I'm going to be quiet and let you watch the rest of the video. Phoenix Flow Art, creating is what we do. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments. I'll respond. Have a great day. Thanks.